Morning, family. Ham's Loft. Assalamu alaikum. It's Thursday morning. I'm at 10.9, 6:30, 67 degrees. I'm in the back of a big center. That's Dollar General up there, but everything is in the back. I do have power lines, some real little ones way over there. Just one, you see. And everything else is open. It's gonna rain 3 days, but it's supposed to rain this afternoon, so I am up. Got a little earlier time to move around. You can see the sun is actually east that way. Yeah, it's the best I can get for right now. So I gotta let them out, let them do their thing. At 7.3, I tossed them 3 times. One time, the first time they got back in 3 hours. I repeat, 3 hours from 7 miles, and they brought back 2 more racing birds with them when they got back. So they must have flew into a flock. They did come back, and they did bring 2 other birds. So I got a total of 47 total, 1 old bird. So 46 in the race team with 1 old bird. I lost 1 old bird. I don't know where he at, what happened to him, but it is what it is. Okay, gonna give it a couple more minutes, and then I'm gonna release them out and let them do what they do. Okay, let's get them out. Got one going higher than the rest. I do believe they're going the right way, although it's a couple of stragglers, but they all still went the same direction. Yeah, I can see them over the tree a little bit. See it? 1, 2, 3. I don't think they'll beat me home, but hey, it is what it is. Let's see what happens. All right, people. Got a whole flock flying right there. It's 6:58. I think they've been here a few minutes because they circling low. There they go, just came down. All right, family, they're literally 10 miles. Looks like most of them. I'm gonna go on and get them in, and then get my lunch together so I can get butt to work. Get my butt to work. They should be hungry, but let's power down. All right, this is a 10-mile toss. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, do what you do.